In this video, we're going to show you how to build a modern white oak entryway table using a custom table kit from Osborne. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. For this project, we chose the newly released rounded taper legs from Osborne. These legs feature a rounded edge on all four sides that tie in nicely with modern design. If you're interested in learning more about these new legs, you can check out the link in the description below. Since this is an entryway table, we went with a long and narrow design for our table base. Now our top is going to have a 1-inch overhang making it 14 inches by 48 inches. You can see here I'm starting with the shorter sides of my base first to allow for easy access with my drill. That's something to keep in mind with these narrow table base kits, as there may be less room for your tools when assembling. As I mentioned, this is a custom table base and tabletop from Osborne. We designed the table base using the custom table base builder function on our website. You can plug in the exact dimensions of your tabletop and your desired overhang for a fully ready custom table base shipped to your door. The builder will allow you to select your desired edge profile on your skirt boards, as well as any additional molding or trim accessories around the skirt. For more information, you can check out the link in the description below and design yours today. With the mortise and tenon joinery assembled, we can install the last few screws and add our corner blocks to each leg using the pre-installed threaded inserts and included necessary hardware. Next, I chose to add a roundover on the tabletop to match the rounded legs. I think this adds to the modern profile and just gives some cohesion to the whole project. This step is optional, but it does add a nice look to the table. As I mentioned, this is a custom tabletop from Osborne. It is not included with the table base kit, but we do have an option for custom tabletops like this one. You can fill out a custom quote form for free and get yours today. After adding the roundover, we can sand the edges to remove any burn marks or tear out. Next, we can place the table base upside down on our tabletop and measure for our 1-inch overhang before attaching. All table base kits from Osborne come standard with pocket holes for attachment, but we do also offer figure 8 fasteners or Z-clip fasteners depending on your project preferences. After attaching the table base, I'll sand the top to 220 grit and apply a natural wood stain for a nice finish. Thank you for joining us for this episode of the Builder Studio. If you're interested in checking out the new rounded taper legs from Osborne or any information on our custom table base kits, be sure to check out the links below. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.